Hey friends, if you wish to change Microsoft Edge to Internet Explorer on Windows 11 efficiently, then please watch this video. Actually, you cannot do that, but there is a mode called the Internet Explorer mode, which will allow you to use Microsoft Edge with Internet Explorer's capabilities. So open Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. Search for Internet Explorer and hit Enter. You'll find the Internet Explorer mode. Okay, if it's off, which it is by default, this will be disabled. If you switch it on, it will work with Internet Explorer's capabilities and you'll find this icon here at the top right corner. I prefer to keep it off because it's not required these days, but if you want it for some reason, then you can use it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.